Hi Anastasia, this is Stacy Napper, your instructor, and I am making this video to give you some feedback on the first part of your employee handbook. First of all, you hit all of the major items of the assignment. Great job on that. It's very complete and thorough. Um, Also, there are no issues, concerns, spelling, grammar, readability. You're right on target. My only constructive feedback for you has to do with the formatting. So when you format it for your paper, for your final presentation, you want to make sure that the spacing is correct. And the big change is that handbook acknowledgement form needs to go on a separate page, because if you're the employee, you would sign it and just turn that form back in. I would also lose the numbers next to the sections and just make it look a little prettier. But you are right on track. Talk to you soon, and if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Take care.